Dishwasher Whirlpool WDF540PADM. It fills, it drains, but it is not washing or cleaning. Right when the cycle should start circulation, there is no spray, no wash pressure, and no water movement inside the tub. This is lesson 1 of our dishwasher repair and diagnostic course. Real case by Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. My workflow is simple. Verify the cycle, test the component, confirm the root cause. Fill is okay, drain is okay. The failure is circulation, so I go straight to the circulation pump. The wash motor, recirculation motor. I pull the built-in dishwasher out, acts as the pump, and test it with a multimeter. Resistance is within spec, so electrically it looks fine. But mechanically it's worn and can't spin under load, that's why circulation never starts. I replace the circulation pump assembly, reassemble, run a test cycle and do a leak check. No leaks, strong circulation, normal wash action. I reinstall it and show the working result to the client. In the next lessons, we'll cover common dishwasher problems. Not washing, not draining, not filling, leaks, noise, poor cleaning, heating and drying issue. Plus service mode, diagnostic cycle, error codes and control program glitches. Subscribe to follow the course. Real dishwasher diagnostics and repairs by Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg.